Firstly, open the Google Forms website by visiting its link. Now click on Open Forms. Next page, you will be asked to log in with your Gmail account. Because I am already logged in, I can view this page. Here you can choose any form template from the templates gallery or create a form from scratch. I have already created a survey form, so I will click on Form Resend. Click on the Responses tab and make sure accepting responses is enabled. Once your form is ready, click on the Send button. Here, you can check Collect Emails to collect emails from responders. Down below, you have multiple options to share this form. Click on the following link icon. You can simply copy this link or check Shorten Link to make a short link. Finally, click Copy to copy the form link. Now go to qrgenerator.org in your web browser. This QR code generator is free and the QR codes will never expire. Here you can make different types of QR codes. Choose Link from the QR code Types menu. Down below in the URL field, paste your Google Forms link copied in the previous step. The QR code will be generated. However, you can add customization to your QR code with colors, logo frames, and etc. You can upload your custom logo or choose a logo from the template menu. Make sure to watch the demo for more details about this awesome tool. Finally, hit the download button. You can download your QR code in various formats as per your requirements. You can print and download PDF, EPS, or PNG format. PNG format is preferred. Click on this button and your QR code will be downloadable. You can share this QR code to collect responses. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.